Today, we're diving into the world of powerful blending with the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, a true kitchen powerhouse with a 1000-watt motor that effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes even the toughest ingredients. This corded electric blender features an impressive 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for creating delicious frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family, with a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces. Thanks to its total crushing technology, you can enjoy resort-style frozen drinks in seconds, as the blades swiftly turn ice into snow and blend whole fruits and vegetables with ease. The included recipe guide will inspire you to explore a variety of drinks and dishes, while the BPA-free, dishwasher-safe pitcher ensures that cleanup is a breeze. With the Ninja BL610, you're not just blending, you're unlocking a world of culinary possibilities with professional-grade power and convenience. So, get ready to elevate your blending game and create delightful concoctions with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.